So we are back here at Bellagio Las Vegas. Today is Monday, January 18th, 2021. Checking in for a one-night stay. Originally I had a Fountain View King's room booked. At the desk I requested an upgrade. Now I lost the Fountain View, which isn't really a big deal to me. But they gave me what they refer to as a Salone Suite. So let's check it out. Marble entryway, artwork. So the Salone Suite is basically the entry-level suite here at Bellagio. It's not a two-room or one-bedroom or anything like that. It's got a nice living area, seating area, a really nice bed. It looks comfortable. Seating area. Got your flat screen TV with a sound bar attached to it. Little work desk, if that's your thing, if you happen to be working while you're on vacation, which I don't recommend. Now, this room is probably a little bit of an older renovation. You can tell by some of the color schemes and things that they've used, the wall vinyl and things of that nature. But overall, it appears to be a really nice room. So this is the living/bed area. Let's go take a look at what we got in the bathroom. So as expected, and it's kind of commonplace in most places now, but his and her sinks. Television inside the mirror, in case you want to watch the game while you're getting ready. And for the ladies, your own little makeup area, your own mirror, double door closets, stand-up shower, which unfortunately is not a steam shower like in the Bellagio suite that we had in October. But it does have a jetted jacuzzi tub, which I never really get any use out of. My fiance does from time to time. I would imagine that that's pretty relaxing. So our view, we're on the back side of the building. We're at the end of the hallway. But from the bathroom, got a nice view of the Rio and the Palms, which are still currently shut down, except the Rio. The Rio recently opened. I believe the only one tower for the rooms is open, though. The casino is. So anyway, the water closet area. Got your toilet and a bidet. I've actually never really seen one of these in person because I don't get out much. And I'm not sure if I have the guts to try that out. It's kind of intimidating, actually. I don't want to unintentionally be violated. But overall, the room appears to be, at face value, it appears to be clean. Everything seems to be in pretty decent shape. A little dated, like I mentioned, but not too bad. And the view out this window is kind of about the same. Got a view of the Caesar's Palace Augustus Tower, and I believe it's either the Palace Tower. It's one of those. But anyway, you can see Caesar's Palace out the window, the mountains, and a little bit further into the outskirts of Vegas. But all in all, like I said, it appears to be a clean room. I like the accommodations so far. But I'll give you a full report on what I think after I sleep in it in the morning. We'll see you then. It's now Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. So I actually slept in the room, and I'm going to give you my review or my thoughts on it. So Bellagio is celebrating 23 years this year. and it's kind of starting to show its age a little bit, which by no means is it run down. It's just not as elegant as it used to be. The room was great. The bed was actually really comfortable. I slept, I don't want to say I slept well, but I don't want to say I slept bad either. And there was a kind of a key thing that affected my sleep, and this is huge, but the air conditioner in this room, for whatever reason, I feel like just couldn't keep it as cold as an ice box, which is where I like it. I keep it at 65, and I woke up very early in the morning, and it just wasn't cool in here. I don't know if the air conditioner is on like some kind of energy saving deal, which would kind of put it in economy mode when there's no motion in the room. Some hotels do have that, and it's frustrating. But I don't know if that's the case here or not, or if it was just an anomaly that I experienced that. And for once, I actually did use the jetted tub. I've never used one of those while I was here, and it was great. It worked. Water was hot. The water pressure was outstanding. So yeah, I would recommend that. The only other gripe that I would really have about the room, and this is kind of a security issue, and I'm in the hotel business, so I know this happens, but the door does not self-close. You watch it and you leave it at a 90-degree angle and let it close behind you, it does not close itself. So every time I had to leave the room, I had to be mindful of that and close it behind me, which is good practice anyway. But anyway, all in all, the Salone Suite was a really nice room. As always, Bellagio doesn't really disappoint. A couple little hiccups, but other than that, I think that I would definitely stay in these rooms again. Space-wise, I didn't mention, I don't remember the exact square footage, but it is over 800 square feet, so it's plenty of room. Feels like an introductory suite. It's a beautiful day in Vegas. I hate to leave, but I'm on my way home. I'll talk to you guys later.